High blood pressure is a serious concern across the United States, especially in the Latino community. It can lead to serious medical issues like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes if left untreated. That's why it's important to eat healthy. It will minimize your risk. So how do we eat healthy? Well, joining me now is Patrick Woodin. He is the Director of Nutrition and Dietary Services for South Texas Health System McAllen to help us get through this. Especially Latinos, we love our food. So how can we eat healthy, Patrick?
Well, thank you, Tom. Well, we need to start thinking a little different how we think about Mexican food. And so, culturally, we eat a lot of heavy, fatty foods. They're deep fried. We use a lot of lard. And so we need to start thinking differently, right? And continue to have those great flavors that we're used to, but you're eating a little healthier.
And today we're making something that I personally love is a taco salad, but we're just gonna make it healthy, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's our take on a taco salad.
So how do we do this?
Well, right now we have a little chicken breast cooking over here in the pan, so it should be pretty much ready to come out. And then we have some ingredients here. We're gonna make the taco salad without using any tortillas. And so we have some bell peppers, we have a cucumber, we have the lettuce, we have iceberg in this instance, but you can use any kind of lettuce for that matter. This is the one that I really like. We have some black beans, whole beans, we have rice, we have avocado, queso fresco, and we have a cilantro lime light ranch dressing. The most important thing for us is to consider is the sodium. So in this instance, we use Mrs. Dash, which is low sodium seasoning, and we add some pepper. You can certainly add cayenne pepper, paprika. You can, any of the ingredients, but try to keep the sodium to a minimum.
And that's really important to keep those sodium levels down.
That's correct.
All right, so let's start preparing.
All right, well, let's just assemble this, like I said, and you can put anything you like, but this is your typical salad. It's gonna have some rice and some beans. So basically, we're making a canvas here to kind of layer this up. So we just add a little rice in there.
So we don't want to do the Mexican style rice as much as we want to. You want to make sure that it's a little healthier.
That's correct, unless you just made it with regular just tomato and cilantro, right? But many of us use the bouillon, the chicken bouillon, and so that is very salty, a lot of high sodium, okay?
So keep the sodium levels down.
Yes.
And black beans versus pinto beans, which is always nice. It's a little bit of a healthier bean.
It's a little different. These are actually just canned beans that we just rinsed off, and we warm them up, right? But you can have them cold as well.
And you're adding the dressing.
A little dressing so that on every bite we have that little dressing, right? So now we have that, we're gonna add some of our lettuce, right? And just kind of make that in there, make a little nest, so then we can put some of the peppers. And you can either separate them. I like them all mixed because I want a little bit of everything on every bite. Cucumber is amazing because it gives you a lot of crunch. We have some tomatoes in here. We'll move them in here real quick. Then we're gonna add some of this delicious queso fresco. And then we're gonna have very healthy avocado, which everybody loves. We're gonna put a little more dressing on the salad. And then we're gonna cut the chicken up real quick. And put that over the top. Put that on the top like that. And then we can just put a little cilantro on the top, and you got yourself a nice taco salad.
And there you have it. You don't need the tortilla shell, as hard as it is to let it go. You don't need that. You can have a very healthy Mexican meal without jeopardizing your health.
Without the calories, that's correct.
Alrighty, well, thank you, Patrick. And if you'd like to learn more recipes, please visit us at southtexashealthsystem.com.